Hey guys, Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Yamaha AR195. So starting up here in the bow, you can see, so this is, one of Yamaha's 19-foot boats, so it is on the smaller side, right? But I am 6'3", so I've got the ability to stretch out like this. You got room up here, and underneath each of these seats that I'm sitting in, there is storage for up here in the bow. You got main anchor storage underneath that center seat there, so that's a good spot to keep the anchor on board. On the topic of storage, you got a couple of spots as you're walking through the walkway into the cockpit on either side with a hideaway trash can on the starboard side there, as well as a nice big ski locker in the floor there. While we're down here on the ski locker, I'll show you the flooring. So this is a nice snap-in woven vinyl flooring. And underneath there, you got a non-skid there. So you can run it with or without the snap-in. Makes it super easy to clean either way. So we'll take a step back, look at a couple more features that make the AR195 unique. We'll start over here. This bench seat is unique to the AR190 and 195. And you've got a little glove compartment behind the back here. So nice spot there. Got some storage underneath that bench seat there. Then we'll take a look at our helm real quick. So you've got full swivel captain's chair in front of your Yamaha steering wheel and the Yamaha Connect screen. So that'll have your engine management as well as a chart plotter. And you can see we're using that cell phone mount right there now. So that holds your phone right there if you're going to use that for something as well. Got a couple charging ports. And then this seat does have the adjustable bolster so you can captain either way you'd like. You can see we're getting plenty of shade from our Bimini on top of our sports tower here. That tower is unique to the AR line, so that's really the main aspect you get with the AR. And then underneath each of these seats are going to be your largest storage compartments on board here. So just to highlight, with this one being the 195, this is your engine hatch here. So on this boat, you've got a supercharged Yamaha 4-cylinder. You're rolling with about 250 horsepower in there. So it's a lot of power for this 19-footer here. She will get up and go. Now, like on every other Yamaha, you do have your nice wide open swim platform. Got seat backs back here. It's a nice comfortable area to hang out when you're out on the water. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101 and ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.